There are many legends in the automotive world, but only a few are able to combine practicality, durability, and elegant design like the Honda FT500 Ascot. Today, we'll delve into the history, allure, and resurgence of this iconic motorcycle. Introduced in the early 1980s, the Honda FT500 Ascot was designed as a superior road-going version of its sibling, the Honda XL Enduro. Equipped with a 500 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, it became the go-to choice for those seeking a combination of fuel efficiency, durability, and ease of maintenance. The Ascot derives its name from the famous flat track races at Ascot Park in California. Its philosophy is simple: to provide a comfortable, stable, and elegant riding experience, whether for long journeys or daily use. Its dimensions were crafted with passenger comfort in mind, making it perfect for long-distance adventures. The renewed interest in the FT500 Ascot makes us wonder, will Honda bring back this motorcycle in a modern version? Considering the success of the CMX 500 Rebel as a bobber, a modern FT500 Ascot concept could be the perfect blend of cutting-edge technology and classic spirit. Imagine a new FT500 Ascot, lightweight, tough, free from unnecessary gadgets, and staying true to the principle of substance over style. A motorcycle that isn't just a means of transport, but also a lifestyle statement. The Honda FT500 Ascot isn't just a motorcycle. It's a part of automotive history that continues to live on in the hearts of enthusiasts. With a design philosophy prioritizing quality and practicality, the Ascot symbolizes what makes Honda a legend. Although it was once forgotten, the FT500 Ascot is now regaining popularity. Collectors and classic motorcycle enthusiasts are searching for original, unmodified units. Why? Because of its authenticity and timeless design philosophy. Unfortunately, many FT500 Ascots have undergone extreme modifications, stripping them of their original character.